What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Play Store not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the Play Store app and then tap on this information icon and then tap on storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of your Play Store app. So to do this, tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory, and then tap on clear cache OK option to confirm. And now to clear the data, tap on clear data and then tap on OK to confirm. And after that the Play Store will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then check your internet connection if it's working properly or not. So to check this, open a browser, then open a website, and after opening the website, check if the website is loading perfectly or not. So if the website is not loading perfectly, it means your internet connection is not good. So fix your internet connection, and after fixing the internet connection, the Play Store will start working properly. But after fixing the internet, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white color power button. And when this white button gets green, you can release your finger to fix the Play Store. Now that's how you can fix the Play Store not working issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.